Here's how to add Loox reviews to Shopify store. It's quite easy and simple to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss out on any important steps. First of all, log in your Shopify store. After opening Shopify store, just click on Add Apps button, which is on the left side of the screen. After this, you will see a new pop-up here. Just scroll down and click on Shopify App Store button, and you will redirect to the Shopify App Store. The next step is we have to type in search bar, Loox. You will see here are many apps for store, but you have to click on this one. After this, you will see a new window. Now click on Add App button, and you will redirect to this new page. Here, you just have to click on Install button. Next pop-up will look like this. Here, if you want to choose a plan, then click here, and if you want to use Loox reviews for free, then click on Use Loox free. So I am going for free, so click on it. So Loox reviews successful added into your Shopify store.